If not, then we're still going.
Now get away from me.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Make sure my mother doesn't fall in the water.
Ooh, you farted.
Yeah. Ow. You can almost go to sleep. She's tied to me.
You're killing me.
I know.
Quit now. I'm trying to damn hold the camera steady, you butt.
Well, I'm trying to get forward some.
I'm gonna.
Stop it, no.
Ooh,
I can't. What am I gonna do with the gun on the mattress in the water with the rope tied to my ankle?
Oh wow, this is it right here.
Here, you want to be Mario?
So, how are we all doing?
You cheated. Ow! Ow!
That is one way to keep track of her.
You like to float?
Yeah, it's working out pretty good. I know when we did it last time. I caught a fish!
That's a nasty fish peeing through water. Yes, it is. I pee and poo in this lake and then it floats up to the top like the green stuff is.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah.
How could you splash her? He's all the way over there. You did that, and you're tagging me.
Dun 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 dun.
You better not mess up our string.
Dun. Hey baby.
What's up?
Stand up, my butt is cold.
So comfy.
Well, good way to catch a tan.
Yeah, I should have taken my shorts off.
Ooh, baby, take it off.
I'm gonna have a funny tail. Well, hi. Look what I caught. A river.
Look what I got.
You're carrying two more people.